everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Today we are going to be working on my Print Pensions planner. So basically this is kind of going to be my workout calories, helping me calories. So date covers, just the words are from, what is that? The Sticker Shop Co. Glitter headers are from her shop as well. Sidebar, all of that is from her shop. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, total number of calories, and the weight. The little scales are from Happy Planner, and then the workout stickers are from Savannah Paper Co. This washi tape right here is from a printable that I got, and I don't have anymore, and I can't print out anymore. I think I lost the file. Alright, so I'm just putting down some fixing the rest of the week. So instead of doing it so functional like this, I wanted to actually use Savannah Paper Co.'s Pride Kit. So what I'm doing is breakfast, lunch, and dinner here, and adding a sticker to kind of keep it functional and fun. I think I'm gonna I don't know. I have a bunch of ideas running through my head. So yeah. I'm gonna keep the same colors for 1 week, for 1 day of the week. Instead of driving myself crazy. And the washi is hollow rolled from Rose Colored Days, and it is just a beautiful washi right here. Hope you guys can see it. So I am just kind of doing that. Alright, so some of you guys may already know, or some of you guys may not know, I am on Noom. I've been on Noom for a little bit of a while now. Let's see. I'm just gonna go through the stickers. There's no particular rhyme or reason. They're all beautiful. And alright, so I'm gonna add my date covers. So let's see, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Oopsie, I think I may have to share Sunday. All right. So I think I'm gonna split this. It's okay. It's okay. All right. So I could do breakfast, lunch, dinner, and total number of calories, and then we could do the weight right here. All right. And then this one will be for Sunday, which I have to bring this down. Because this will be a date cover right there. No big deal. Making sure I'm in frame here, because I'm notorious for that. All right. Okay, so I forgot to add more washi on this side. Just a little something to add to this particular, whatchamacallit, to this spread. Let me just do this before I forget. Here we go. Have to do it from here. The bows are facing down. I mean, I can always do inverted bows, but I don't think that I don't know. Let's get my washi tape cutter and color here. All right, that takes care of that. What am I going to do now? All right, so looking at my boxes, I know. So if I miss a workout, that's what I'm doing. Like, let's say if I missed a workout, so I can bump it to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so I know for a fact. So I am just going to put these right here. Let me get some functional boxes here. So total number of calories and weight. Since I love the color green, that is what I will be doing. Alrighty. And I think what I'll do is I'll add that there. And I don't have like a workout, whatchamacallit. Let me see. I have like a little, I thought I had not a clearance, but a, okay, is it in here? No. I had like a clearance workout or something to that effect. I do not. Wait. Aha, I know I have something in here. Alrighty. Aha. Yep. Okay, so that'll be later. Oh boy. Could have sworn I have something here. Ah, here we go. Here we go. Alright. So I don't know if the shop is still open. But I'm gonna use this anyways. I thought that this would be cool. I got these a while ago, so I kept them in case of anything. These are from Plan to Be Fit. This is her winter sampler. This is extremely old. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this right here. So yeah. Unicorns working out. Just living their best lives. Even if you are a heavyset unicorn, you are still living your best life. Alright, so that takes care of that. That is awesome. I knew I had some workout stickers. I just didn't know where. Alright, now decisions. I think I'm going to use these. I'm just going to live my best life. And nope, not Monday. I think I'm going to actually, alright, so Thursday, yeah, I'm just going to use these. I love the fact that she gives you 2 different types of headers. Day covers, sorry. Okay. So that is that. And then we have Saturday and Sunday. So this is the PP weeks. I pretty much used all of it. I didn't use the headers. I still have a really full, what is that? Actually, you know what? Let me see. I'm gonna put just to do, just to make it look a little fuller. And a today one. And I think I'm gonna add some more washi. How can you go wrong? If I could find, not that this kit is not pure perfection. A little less. All right. I am trying to catch up with all these videos, but I am telling you guys, I am running behind like nobody's business. Like, seriously. I'm just so surprised on so, even for a clear washi tape, this is like butter. All right, come on. I just realized that you are so stinking crooked. It's not even funny. Oopsie. All right, the nature of the paper and stickers, sometimes they play nice together and sometimes they do not play well together. So that's just going to be a little bit of a problem. I can fix it. We can keep going. I keep losing the edge. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely insane. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Come on. Probably should have used my tweezers, but I'm being, I was just being impatient. All right, so. Okay, I'm still in frame. And just adding some more washi. I think I'm going a little washi crazy. Washi. I don't know. I think this is just a contrast. And also to share with you guys, you know, if you're tracking your, you know, like a simple little workout, whatever plan, doesn't have to be boring, doesn't have to be complicated. It could be simple and fun, and you can have a good time with it. Even if you're just trying to lose a couple of pounds, you know, doesn't have to be like 1 billion pounds or whatever. I don't know, kind of wanna, thinking about it. Yeah, that is perfect though. And that is it with this tape. Okay, yeah, definitely, Eileen. That's it, that's it. All right, so we have the 26 through... All right, so we have 27. Oh my goodness. I am sitting here and I am boiling. 28. 29. And then 30. Alrighty. Oops. I think we need to move this just a little. Again, the nature of stickers and paper. Sometimes they play well, sometimes. Well, that's my experience anyways. The 30th. All right, boom. Loving it. I love the contrast. I love the playfulness. I love just, it is what it is, you know. I am just enjoying this. I really have had a good time. I love this kit. Again, this is Savannah Paper Co.'s Impressions. This was Sticker Co. The Sticker Shop Co. Happy Planner. I forgot which sticker book this is. It was probably one of their older ones. And this is Karina's workout stickers. And this is a printable. I don't know the name or if it was just a freebie. Yeah, so yeah, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.